Let's begin. Topics to be covered: the decline of the Mughal Empire, causes of decline of the Mughals, the emergence of independent regional kingdom, rise of Mysore, now Mysore. The later Mughal Empire. Mughal king did not have a clear succession plan. Bahadur Shah first became the king after Aurangzeb. Bahadur Shah first tried to make alliances with Rajputs, Marathas, and Sikhs. Jahandar Shah succeeded Bahadur Shah I but was controlled by Zulfikar Khan. Farrukh Siyar became a puppet ruler controlled by the Sayyid brothers. Causes of decline of the Mughals. Aurangzeb's successors were unfit and neglected their duties. The Mughal Empire was large and difficult to govern. Succession was decided through wars leading to bloodshed. Morals, standards of ruler declined, weakening the empire. The nobility became ineffective and incompetent over time. Causes of decline of the Mughals. Mughal army became weak due to a comfortable lifestyle. Invasions by Nadir Shah and Ahmad Shah Abdali weakened the army. Muslim rulers lacked properly education and were not capable leaders. Mughal ruler clashed with Hinduism and caused division. Corruption in the administration weakened Muslim society. Causes of decline of the Mughals. Invasions by Nadir Shah and Ahmad Shah Abdali weakened Muslim rulers. Marathas and Sikhs gained power during the Chow. Aurangzeb's policy in Deccan weakened the army. Muslim rulers lacked naval power against European nations. Poor conditions led to uprisings and the rise of the Marathas. Causes of decline of the Mughals. Rise of Sikhs weakened Muslim society in Punjab. Sikh leader captured Sirhind and killed its governor. Aurangzeb's religious policies caused doubts among Hindus. Rajputs fought against Muslims, losing old alliances. Muslim rulers' backwardness in science and technology. The emergence of independent regional kingdoms. Punjab under the Sikhs, Guru Gobind made the Sikhs strong. Banda Bahadur continued the fight against the Mughals. The Sikhs formed political groups called Misls. Maharaja Ranjit Singh united the Misls and ruled Punjab. The Rajputs. Rajputs were allies of the Mughal but became independent. Savai Raj Jai Singh of Jaipur was a notable ruler. He promoted science and built observatories in multiple cities. He founded the Pink City of Jaipur. Awadh. Sadat Khan became governor of Awadh in 1722. He dealt with rebellious zamindars and established peace. Sadat Khan's successors ruled Awadh independently. Lucknow was the capital and has beautiful monuments. Bengal. Murshid Ali Khan was the governor of Bengal. He moved the capital to Murshidabad and became independent. Siraj-ud-Daulah and Ali Vardi Khan succeeded him. The English East India Company captured Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. The Jats. Jats lived around Delhi, Agra and Mathura. They were strong farmers known for their bravery. Leaders like Churaman and Raja Ram increased their power. Badan Singh created a powerful Jat army and ruled Bharatpur. Rise of Mysore, now Mysuru. Hyder Ali became the ruler of Mysore. He was a skilled administrator and improved finances. Hyder Ali won battles against the Marathas, Nizam and English. His son Tipu Sultan was a brave ruler and patriot. Factors contributing to the rise of the Marathas' power. Shivaji's leadership helped the Marathas rise to power. The tough geography protected the Marathas from enemies. Shivaji captured forts and fought battles against Bijapur and the Mughals. Shivaji established the Maratha state and was crowned Chhatrapati. Administration of Shivaji. Shivaji controlled the state and had 8 ministers. He divided his empire into provinces and villages, introduced new taxes for territories under Maratha rule, maintained a disciplined army with forts and guerrilla warfare. The Peshwas. Balaji Vishwanath extended Maratha's kingdom, reclining Shivaji territories. Baji Rao I conquered Malwa, Gujarat and defeated the Nizam of Hyderabad. Marathas gained the right to collect taxes in Deccan provinces. Balaji Baji Rao became the leader after Shahu's death. Marathi armies reached Bihar, Orissa, Delhi and Punjab, expanding their power. Third Battle of Panipat. from 1761 AD. Marathas lost a big battle and became weak. They couldn't rule all of India anymore. Maratha chiefs ruled smaller area instead. The battle helped the English East India Company. English power in India became stronger after the battle. Thank you.